Who needs knowledge management? I am an engineer. I don't do that stuff.
Do you know what the knowledge management group does?
I don't know. Something to do with the wiki? Updating the tech support website? Posting files?
Actually, it's much more than that.
When I started working here, there was so much information for tech support to search in the calls database. But you couldn't tell the good information from the bad. It was just data everywhere.
Yeah, the call database has thousands of cases, but there are some really old and unreliable cases in there. Using them to answer new cases can lead you down the wrong path.
That's why we took some of that information from the calls database and created a knowledge base. If you take the right nuggets of information and add understanding, you get knowledge. Do you know that now we live in the knowledge age?
Yeah, that KB database is filled with gold nuggets of information.
Don't forget, without a process to extract those gold nuggets and get them analyzed, cleaned up, reviewed, and approved, we can't build a good knowledge base.
So we have a lot of new folks now that are not contributing to the knowledge base. How can we convince the TSEs that it's worth their time and effort to do so?
I know. Let's start an awareness campaign.
Hey John, how's your day going?
Oh man, I just got off a 6-hour call. I need some downtime.
That's rough. What was it about?
Well, if you want to know the details, you can read the 35 entries I made in the call.
Actually, did you learn something new in the case that wasn't documented anywhere else?
Heck yes, I couldn't find anything. Then I talked to 2 product specialists and 2 developers. We spent like freaking 4 hours. It was a pretty tricky one, but now that it's resolved, I feel awesome.
That's great. Do you think if someone else got a similar call, they would be able to answer it in a shorter time than you did?
Probably not. I mean, first they'd have to be lucky enough to find this call, but the case details are so long they might not even recognize that the problem is the same as theirs.
How long do you think it would take you to write up a KB article that distills step by step how to diagnose and solve the problem?
Oh man, like at least an hour.
Wow, so if you spent 1 hour on writing KB and that KB helped just one more TSC, that would save the company 6 hours of your time and many hours of developers and product specialists' time. That's like a $1,000 call.
I hadn't thought about that. Truth is, it might even help me again to write it up, because honestly, I won't remember all of the details a few months from now. Writing up a KB makes a lot of sense. Thanks.
What a great start to our awareness campaign. But we do so much more than promote knowledge collaboration.
Yes, we should make everyone aware of the improvements we have made to the tech support search engine.
For example, we now manage a list of synonyms, so if I type in PLI...
PLI? That's all terminology.
Exactly. Now the search engine knows that I really mean work item or known issue, and it gives me useful results.
We are also monitoring customer search strings that give no results. We call those knowledge gaps. We've created a backlog of knowledge gaps to fill.
We also have the power to build query rules. Query rules are like best bets. With Google Analytics, we can see what people are trying to do at our website and promote the most relevant search results to the top.
Let's not forget to tell everyone that our KBs are now crawled on public search engines like Google and Bing.
Wow, these are great topics for our awareness campaign.
We should start on them soon, but I have a product release to complete.
And I need to finish putting together some stats.
Okay, well let's meet the same time next week.
Bye, bye, no, 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 no.